In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and track your cryptocurrency investments using CoinMarketCap's portfolio tool. If you're looking for a simple yet comprehensive way to keep an eye on your crypto assets, you've definitely come to the right place. Let's dive in and get you started. First, you'll need to log in to your CoinMarketCap account. If you haven't yet created an account, don't worry. It's a straightforward process that only requires a few details. Having an account allows you to take full advantage of all the site's features, including our focus today, the portfolio tool. Once you're logged in, navigate to the portfolio section. This is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to keep track of their cryptocurrency investments. The portfolio tool not only helps you manage your coins and tokens, but also provides real-time financial snapshots that can guide your investment decisions. With your portfolio open, the first thing you want to do is add a transaction. To start, simply click on Add Transaction. You'll be prompted to choose the specific coin or token you've recently bought. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or any other cryptocurrency, CoinMarketCap has a comprehensive list for you to select from. Next, you'll need to enter a few key details about your transaction. First, specify whether the transaction was a buy or a sell. Then, indicate the amount of cryptocurrency you purchased or sold. Don't forget to input the price per coin at the time of the transaction, as well as the date the transaction took place. Accuracy here is important since it affects how your gains or losses are calculated. Once all the details are filled in, click Add Transaction to save your entry. Almost instantly, CoinMarketCap will work its magic and begin to update various metrics for you. You'll see the current value of your holdings, calculated based on live market prices. The cost basis will be displayed, which is essentially the total amount you invested. From here, you'll also be able to review your profit or loss, often abbreviated as P&L, which is quite simply the difference between what you spent and the current value of your holdings. And finally, the percentage change will reveal just how much your investment has grown or shrunk in value since your purchase. These updates happen in real time, adapting as market prices shift, providing you a dynamic overview of your investment's performance. With these insights, you can track your portfolio's performance over time, helping you make informed decisions on whether to hold on to your assets or consider selling. And if at any point you need to edit or delete a transaction, that's possible too. Maybe there was a typo in the amount or you logged the wrong date. Simply revisit the transaction, make any necessary changes, or remove it entirely if it was a mistake. So there you have it, a robust yet easy way to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio using CoinMarketCap's tools. Happy investing, and may your portfolio always be in the green.